Hey everybody, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration Channel. I'm here with Dottie Dog, our resident pup, but she's not near as excited as I am. Hey, I got a box here that one of the gentlemen that I'm friends with and has been watching our videos for the Route 66 Restoration Channel. He sent me some parts. He saw me making some things and he says, hey, I got some you can have. So I'm going to open these up and we're going to take a look at it. Now remember, my car is a driver, so I don't need perfection. I just need things to work. And so I'm going to try to do this one-handed, and we'll take them out and we'll take a look. And I just want to say thank you, Greg, so much. You're a real blessing, man. These, you know, it's difficult to do things one-handed. And he's a good guy. Let's see, here we go. Okay, we got the box open. All right. Packaged carefully. And it is a set of floor braces that are in really good shape. So I don't have to continue. But look at, hey, this is everybody in the 80s. This is 80s stuff right here. The old pop rivets. Love it. Love it. Thanks, Greg. These I'm not disappointed, my friend. Thank you so much. I'll get the other one out here in a second. Well, maybe not. This one's in a pant leg. All right. There we go. Look at that, guys. So I am going to continue fabbing up the ones that I've been working on, and I will finish those videos so to show you guys that you can do this, that you can make these things. But thank you so much, Greg. I will use these on the Route 66 57210 and help me a little bit towards my goal, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate you. Hey guys, this is what Tri-Fibers do. They help each other out, and I've been involved in racing and had a lot of racing friends, and I can tell you what, I could never race without my guys that help me. Dedicated pit crew guys that just love motorsports and love our hobby, love what we do. And truthfully, it's hard to see our hobby changing and our guys getting older. But you know, this world's a one-way trip. So thank you guys. Have a good one. Thanks, Greg.